In January 2017, the Jamaica Customs Agency, JCA, launched its public education initiative, Customs Meets the Community, under the tagline, Reaching Our Customers Where They Are. The team has since left footprints in St. Elizabeth and most recently in a town with history carved in its buildings, St. Diego de la Vega, Spanish Down, St. Catherine.
This initiative is allowing us to augment our outreach activities, increase awareness about our mandates and roles, and to better connect with all of you, school administrators, business people, church leaders, charity groups, political representatives, entrepreneurs, vendors, returning residents, and the man on the street.
The agency's motto, Country Above Self, speaks volumes on this campaign trail. In addition to educating its stakeholders on customs procedures and processes, Jamaica Customs is bringing into focus its partnership with other regulatory agencies and its obligation to act on their behalf. One such agency is the Plant Quarantine Inspection Branch, an agency of the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, MICAF. This agency is the competent authority for the importation of plants and plant produce.
Usually when they take away your plant and plant produce, you usually say, look, custom one carry got in yard, go eat it, right? We're not at every single seaport and every single airport. So we rely heavily on the Jamaica Customs Agency to ensure that we're able to detect when it is that something is coming into the country that is not authorized and that runs the risk of threatening our agricultural sector and the environment.
Over the past 15 years, Jamaica has had a total of 6 outbreaks. In 2016, approximately $78 million was spent to contain the frost pod rot on cocoa outbreak. These outbreaks stifle economic development. The items confiscated by customs are not taken for personal use, but are seized and destroyed by the Ministry of Agriculture. Breaches are punishable by law under the Plant Quarantine Act of 1993. For more information on importing plants and plant produce, contact the Plant Quarantine Office at 977-6401. The Spanish Town community was also eager to address the issue of missing items from shipments and the procedure to be followed to rectify the matter.
If the items are damaged or if items are stolen before the goods leave customs, there is remedy. Customs work in tandem with the warehouse keeper. The role of the warehouse keeper is to ensure that your items are secured.
The warehouse keeper is a separate entity from the Jamaica Customs Agency, and they have an obligation to the agency and to you as a customer.
So if you ship a barrel from New York, and when you come to collect it after they have called you, the barrel has gone missing, the warehouse keeper will be charged for a breach of the customs act. And they have to compensate you for the item that has gone missing.
In the event that you suffer a loss, file a report with the customs officer who will make a claim to the warehouse keeper. The JCA's partnerships with various organizations has resulted in a more functional framework. These partnerships have strengthened the JCA's ability to deliver on its commitment to you, the customer, as the organization works to improve trade facilitation and border protection capabilities and economic viability.
Yes, I'm born, yes, I'm come from. I am a live and I am intend fit on. Regardless of the economical condition, you must admit this is a glorious land. So what a nice place to live.